Are you losing thousands of dollars without even realizing it? Most people make small financial mistakes every day that quietly drain their wallets. In this video, we'll uncover the top personal finance mistakes and show you how to fix them before it's too late. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save more, invest smarter, and keep your money working for you. Mistake number 1: not having a budget. Without a plan, it's easy to overspend. Even small unnecessary expenses can add up to thousands per year. Simple fix: track your income and expenses using an app or spreadsheet and categorize every dollar. Remember, a budget is not about restriction, it's about control. Mistake number 2: carrying high interest debt, like credit cards. A $5,000 balance at 20% interest can cost you over $1,000 a year just in interest. Solution: pay off high interest debt first, consider consolidation or balance transfer, and avoid adding new debt. Mistake number 3: not investing early. Time is your most powerful asset. Compound interest can grow small amounts into life-changing wealth. Even investing $100 a month in your 20s can become over $100,000 by your 40s. Start small, but start now, your future self will thank you. Mistake number 4: ignoring emergency funds. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can derail your finances. Rule of thumb: save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid, safe account. It's not just savings, it's financial peace of mind. Mistake number 5: lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, invest or save the extra money. Avoid the trap of keeping up with others. Financial freedom comes from discipline, not appearances. Mistake number 6: neglecting retirement planning. Relying solely on Social Security or hoping you'll save later is a mistake. Start contributing to retirement accounts today. Even small contributions grow exponentially with time. Mistake number 7: ignoring insurance and protection. Medical emergencies, accidents, or natural disasters can wipe out savings. Health, life, disability, and home insurance are not optional, they protect your financial future. Avoid these mistakes, and you could save thousands every year. Personal finance isn't about being perfect, it's about making smart decisions consistently. Start today, and let your money work for you, not against you.